Let's talk about two very useful formulas in Excel, count and COUNTIF. These help you quickly count things in your data, and trust me, they're really easy to use. Let's start with count. Imagine you have a list of test scores like this. Now, say you want to know how many students actually have a number in the score column, not empty cells, and not words like fail. Here's where count comes in. Just click a blank cell and type equals to count, then select the range. This tells Excel to count only the cells in B2 to B8 that have numbers. In this example, Excel will count 90, 70, 85, 40, and 95. So it shows 5. Easy, right? Now let's move on to COUNTIF. It's like count but smarter. Say you want to count how many students scored above 80. In a blank cell, type equals to COUNTIF, select the range of cells, and type greater than 80. This tells Excel, count how many numbers in B2 to B8 are greater than 80. Here, that would be 90, 85, and 95, so it shows 3. So this is how you use count and COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel.